Hi guys, this is my first time. I'm Nicole and I'll be baking a fruit cake today. Well, as you see, I have here eggs, sugar, fruits. Because I'm a little bit late with my butters out the fridge, so I rest them on the stove for them to get a little soft, because normally I take them out from overnight before baking. Well, as you can see right here, I have wined my fruits. I put them together to soak. I soak them for at least 1 week. And then this is the mixture that I'm blending. Okay? So I'll be blending them. So this is the liquid. This is how smooth it is. Okay, so we're gonna pour it out in a container, and then we do the sugar, the butters, and the egg. Pour it out. Okay, you got to have your vanilla. Whatever spice you want to add, you can always add it to boost the flavor. Okay, and don't forget your Jamaican rum, which is this one, the Jamaica rum. It's all in the mixture. So I put a little Jamaica rum. Yeah, you can put to your leisure, as much as some people like it stronger than some, but I don't put a lot. Okay, so this is my measuring cup. I'm gonna put 1 cup of sugar, right? 4 sticks of butter. This is the butter. We have four bars of butter. Each contain 4 ounces. So in all, it is 1 pound of butter. I put them in my large container. Alright, so this is my butter. Okay, normally what I will do is whip out my butter. But what I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna put my sugar in the container and then do the mixture. Okay, so follow as I go. All right, sugar. This is 10 eggs. 10 eggs. I'm gonna break them in this bowl and then I apply them to my mixture. Okay? I had a little lemon juice, sometimes 2 teaspoons for the egg, to cut the rawness. Okay, 2 teaspoons. So I'll be adding a spoon of vanilla. And the cinnamon powder with the nutting egg. I'm gonna add it after I apply my flour. So I'm gonna pour in my liquid from earlier with my rum and my fruits. and I'm gonna mix it. Mixture is all together. Okay, I'm gonna add my nutmeg. Yes, nutmeg, cinnamon powder, and salt together. What I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna add my flour. But as I add my flour, I sieve my flour first and then I add it to my mixture. Well, this is 3 cups of all-purpose flour, right? I'm gonna sieve it in the container that I have my mixture. Okay, so we sieve it because we don't want it to have any, we want our flour to be smooth. Well, as I sieve, I'm mixing my texture. I'm gonna add my baking powder, which I add 3 teaspoons. 3 teaspoons baking powder. My mixture, I have my flour inside, and this is my texture. Okay, so what I'm gonna do next is to give it a little color. That is my final finishing touch before I put it in the oven, okay, to bake in my pans and so forth, and then off to bake. So here is the color. You can put as much browning as, not to make it bitter, but to please you in color. Okay, so I'll put 1, 2, and then I mix to see if it's the color to my satisfaction. Before I put the liquid in the pan, I normally grease my pan, okay, and I also use my parchment paper, okay, in my pan. So I'm gonna put it in the oven, and guys, I'll show you the result after. So I'm gonna pour it in my container. Remember now, you can't put too much because it's gonna raise, so you put as much before the rim, so when it raises, it doesn't go over to the top as much. Okay, so I'll put the rest in another container. All right, I put my oven on 350, which I have another container with some water to keep it moist, to don't dry out my cake as much. Okay,